everyone, how are you today? Welcome to Soma's Makeup Diary, a place for all the makeup lovers, color lovers and nature lovers. Today I'm going to start with my lipstick. The color is absolutely stunning, I love it, and that's why I started with my first layer of lipstick. On camera, second layer. This is the shade that I'm going to wear, my YSL shade 19. Absolutely in love with this shade. No matter what season it is, I always reach out for this lipstick. And today I'm going to apply this lipstick and show you how it feels. Actually, I cannot show you how it feels. You can see the color punch on my lips. The color, the shine and the feel. Amazing. Taking my lip liner. There you go. I was anyways going to wear this lipstick today, but I thought let's share it with all of you on camera. So the lipstick is on and now I'm going to start applying eyeshadows on my lids. This is the palette which I'm going to use. This is my VISEART Editorial Brides, one of my favorite palettes, and the shades that I'm going to use today are these three. Starting with white and then using this teal and a little bit of my favorite shade of the palette, this wonderful berry fuchsia purpley shade. Hard to describe, but this is an amazing shade which I love to play with. So I'm not going to waste this. I'm going to apply it on my lid right away. Look at that. I call this shade my purple grape shade. That is my way of defining the shade. Absolutely gorgeous. And when I don't use this shade, I kind of miss it. So that's just a starting layer of color. I was about to start with white, but that's okay. Now I'm going to start with my white. It's my makeup playtime, as you all know. I can play with my lovely colors and I don't follow any sequence. How about you? Do you follow any sequence when you pat the colors on your lid? I mean, transition first, then maybe lid, then maybe crease, maybe the outer corner. I don't follow any sequence. It naturally comes to me and I start with that. I kind of go with the color flow. Yeah. So the white is on and now I'm going to start with my teal shade. That's a beautiful shade. And this is the swatch of that color. Yeah. I'm going to cover the lid area with this beautiful shade. Playing with colors. Nice. Blending, overlapping and building up the color. And I'm loving this combination of my eyes and lips. I hope you try this combination. Lovely. This feels amazing. Beautiful color. Circular motion helps and I usually go for circular motion. I really want this teal to be prominent in my eye look today, and that's why I'm building it up. Look at the shade. Isn't it gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. And now I'm going to take my purple shade one more time. Taking a contour brush, eye contour brush, and this time a little bit pinpointed effect, starting with the outer corner and moving towards the crease. How about that? Wow, look at the colors blending together into each other. Once I start using this shade, I just apply more and more because this is my absolute favorite. I love all the colors. I'm a color lover, you know that. But there are certain shades that are being loved more and more in my makeup routine. It gives a nice, fuchsia, pinky kind of hue when I blend it and shear it out. So that is something amazing. I just can't explain you how this shade feels on the eyelids. Love it. Okay, and now with that contour brush, I am going to take that purple shade again. Not only on my lower lash line, I'm going little bit more down here with that color. It's absolutely fun. I hope you can see that. See the difference. I'm using that same shade, but here it is coming as a little bit more pinky kind of hue, and here it is purpley. So just amazing. I think I'm going to hit the pan soon with this color. Beautiful. Absolutely, absolutely loving this. Look at that. Lovely shade. One fluid motion and then a little bit of tweak here and there. Makeup playtime. Almost there. Going as close as possible towards my lash line. Want to wear a long wing liner. Pencil liner on my lower lash line. I like to cover this inner portion. And this is not the last step, there is more. If you ask me, I can play with 10 shadows at a time on my eyelids because I'm that much interested in playing with colors. But sometimes I need to stop myself because then I want that one shade to pop a little bit more. Even if I start with my lipstick, I make sure that this is the last step because I love my lip colors equally. Yeah, it's awesome playing with makeup, isn't it? Yes, my makeup lovers would definitely know about the feeling I'm talking about. Alright, and now how about taking a little bit of that lovely shade? I want to do a little trick here with my green, tapping off the excess, going along with that wing. Can you see the difference? I hope you see the difference here because I am pretty pleased. Yes, my inner corner pop. Just focusing right here. Gorgeous. Making it prominent. You know what comes to me naturally? Rather than doing like this comes naturally. Doesn't matter, right? I need to get the excess off the brush. I'm looking forward to seeing your comments. So please leave your comments below so that we can interact. I'm happy. Very, very happy with the look. And now I'm going to cut my lashes, as you can see, very gently. Learned this process over the period of time. It's a continuous process, right? Learning new application methods, trying something new, heading towards weekend, and weekend looks are coming on my channel. You know that. What is my weekend special look? I don't know yet, but definitely something colorful, something fun. So after trying this look, come back soon because there are many more to come. So this is my finished look and I am pretty happy with the look. Colorful, fun eye look and stunning lip color, right? So try this look and let me know about your makeup experiences. Share your favorite color and yeah, have fun playing with the colors. Bye for now. See you soon. Have a great day.